In the midst of death, life persists. In the midst of untruth, truth persists. In the midst of darkness, light persists.
Mahatma Gandhi, the most relevant page of Indian history, summed up his philosophy of life with the words, "My life is my message." In it, we discover the man behind the legend, following him from his birth in the coastal town of Porbandar in 1869 to the moment of his tragic death at the hands of his assassin in January 1948. Gandhi was the most normal of men. He was universal. Such a man cannot be measured, weighed, or estimated. He is the measure of all things. He was not a philosopher nor a politician. He was a humble seeker of truth. His multifarious and dynamic personality was based on truth and nothing but the truth. His whole life was his experiment with the truth. Nonviolence was another intrinsic element of this philosophy. Nonviolence is love, the very content of life. He was an apostle of peace and brotherhood. One cannot comprehend Satyagraha without connecting it with Gandhi. His Satyagraha is inspired by boundless love and compassion. His spinning wheel for dignity of productive labor and broomstick for abolition of social inequalities based on birth. Gandhiji launched many movements like Champaran, Khilafat, non-cooperation, civil disobedience, Quit India, etc. These movements gave strength to the Indian citizens to raise voice against the injustice being done to them. Gandhiji's teachings of non-violence are most relevant today. He first followed and then preached. He knew that man who wants freedom has to take tremendous risk. That was the essence of life. That is why he could say that my life is my message. He says, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever.